An 82-year-old man struggled just to rise from a chair. His legs felt shaky, his arms had lost power, and every doctor he saw told him this was simply what aging looks like. But he refused to believe that. Instead of surrendering, he made one small adjustment to what he ate each day. And in only 3 months, not only did his strength return, but his lab results looked more like those of someone 30 years younger. So what was his secret? It wasn't eggs. It wasn't meat. It wasn't a pill from the pharmacy. It was a natural protein source that researchers say triggers muscle protein synthesis, the exact process your body uses to rebuild strength, even in your 70s, 80s, and beyond. According to recent findings published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition, this specific protein activated a muscle-building response similar to that of a 25-year-old. And here's the best part. It's easy to find, inexpensive, and works even better when paired with others on this list. If you're over 60 and concerned about muscle loss, weakness, or slowing down, this video will reveal the real truth about protein after 70. And yes, some of these may shock you. One even sounds a little controversial, but it does incredible things inside your muscles. You're watching Dr. Emily Carter's channel, where we share science-backed methods to help you feel stronger, younger, and healthier at any age. Before we begin, tell us in the comments how old you are and where you're watching from. And if this video helps you at any moment, please consider liking and subscribing. It truly helps more seniors find content that puts their health first. Now, let's count down the 6 best protein foods that build muscle faster than eggs, especially after 70. Number 6, lentils, the low-cost muscle booster. Most people assume plant proteins aren't strong enough to build real muscle, but lentils quietly prove that belief wrong, especially for adults over 60. You see, lentils aren't just rich in fiber. They provide about 18 grams of protein per cooked cup. And when paired with whole grains like brown rice, they become a complete protein. This pairing supplies all 9 essential amino acids, which are required to activate muscle protein synthesis, the process your body relies on to repair tissue and grow stronger. But the benefits don't stop with muscle. Lentils are packed with magnesium, folate, and iron, nutrients that support energy levels, oxygen transport, and balanced blood sugar. That means fewer energy dips, improved endurance, and better daily strength. On top of that, lentils are easy to digest, unlike red meat or processed protein powders that often cause bloating or discomfort. And because they're high in fiber, they promote gut health, which research now shows is closely linked to muscle maintenance in older adults. Here's a simple way to prepare them. Rinse, boil, and simmer red lentils for about 15 minutes. Add a pinch of turmeric or cumin for extra anti-inflammatory support, and you've got a powerful plant-based protein meal for under $1 per serving. And if lentils surprised you, wait until you hear what the next protein can do while you sleep. Number 5. Hemp seeds. Now let's talk about one of the most overlooked muscle-building secrets hiding in your kitchen. Protein number 5. Hemp seeds, the tiny superfood with serious impact. Many people think hemp is just a trendy health store product, or confuse it with marijuana. But here's the truth. Hemp seeds contain 0 psychoactive substances. They're legal, safe, and packed with one of the most complete plant proteins available. Let's look at the facts. Just 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds deliver nearly 10 grams of protein, including all 9 essential amino acids, the fundamental building blocks of muscle. Even better, they're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation, speed recovery, and keep joints moving smoothly. For seniors, this is a major advantage. Hemp protein is easier to digest than many animal-based proteins. It doesn't cause bloating, it doesn't slow digestion, and it nourishes muscles gently, especially when your digestive system isn't as resilient as it once was. Use them wisely. Sprinkle hemp seeds on oatmeal, blend them into a morning smoothie, or mix them into Greek yogurt with berries for a post-walk recovery snack. And if you think that's impressive, just wait until you see the next food, a protein that works while you sleep. Number 4, cottage cheese. Now let's look at a food that does its best work overnight. Number 4. Cottage cheese. It may not look exciting, but it's a powerful nighttime protein that keeps working while you rest. Many people think cottage cheese is just an old-school snack. But here's what most don't realize. It contains a slow-digesting protein called casein. This means it releases amino acids gradually over several hours, making it ideal for evening muscle repair and growth. In one clinical study, seniors who ate cottage cheese before bedtime experienced higher overnight muscle protein synthesis, comparable to a full post-exercise protein shake. That's because casein keeps amino acids circulating while your body sleeps. Your muscles don't stop working at night. Much of their recovery happens then, and this protein supports that process perfectly. Cottage cheese also provides calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin B12, all essential for bone health, metabolism, and nerve function in older adults. Try half a cup of low-fat cottage cheese with cinnamon or sliced peaches before bed. It's gentle on digestion and won't spike blood sugar. And if you think that's smart, the next one is even easier, and you can drink it on the go. Number 3. Greek yogurt. Number 3. Greek yogurt. The smooth, protein-rich food that does far more than please your palate. Most people assume Greek yogurt is just a flavorful snack or a breakfast add-on, but in truth, it's one of the strongest allies for preserving muscle after 60. And here's the reason. Greek yogurt provides a unique protein known as casein. Unlike quick-digesting proteins, casein breaks down slowly, supplying amino acids into your bloodstream over several hours. Think of it as a slow-release system that nourishes your muscles even during sleep. For older adults, this consistent nutrient flow can mean the difference between muscle loss and muscle retention. Research shows that eating casein-rich foods like Greek yogurt before bedtime can increase nighttime muscle protein synthesis by as much as 22%, helping your body repair tissue and remain strong while you rest. And it's not only about muscle. Greek yogurt is also high in calcium, which supports bone strength, and probiotics, which promote gut health, an essential factor for proper protein absorption. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to limit added sugars. Stir in cinnamon, flaxseed, or berries for added flavor and antioxidant support. And if you think yogurt is impressive, wait until you discover the protein that works overnight and fights inflammation from within. Number 2. Black beans. Black beans, they're modest, overlooked, and likely tucked away in your pantry. But don't underestimate them. These small legumes deliver serious muscle-building benefits and have quietly exceeded expectations in nutrition research focused on older adults. Here's the misconception. Many seniors believe animal protein is required to build or maintain muscle. But in reality, black beans can compete with the amino acid quality of many animal sources, with extra benefits included. They're rich in fiber, magnesium, and resistant starch, which supports better insulin sensitivity, especially important for aging bodies struggling with blood sugar balance. 1 cup of cooked black beans provides roughly 15 grams of protein and 15 grams of fiber. That means they nourish your muscles while feeding beneficial gut bacteria. And if you've heard of the gut-muscle connection, you know a healthier gut leads to improved protein absorption, faster recovery, and stronger immune support. For seniors, black beans are a triple advantage. They support heart health, strengthen muscles, and stabilize blood sugar. Best of all, they're simple to prepare. You can use canned beans. Just rinse them to lower sodium, mash them into dips, toss them into soups, or pair them with brown rice for a complete protein. Add cumin and garlic for flavor. And they're not just nutritious, they taste great. And if you thought black beans were impressive, wait until you learn about the final protein. This one works while you sleep. Number 1. Whey protein. And here it is. The standout that continues to rank highest in scientific research on muscle building after 60. Whey protein. But let's clarify. Not all whey is the same, and it's not only for athletes. Many older adults hear whey and picture something their grandson blends after a workout. But modern research tells a different story. A clinical study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who consumed just 30 grams of whey daily experienced muscle growth comparable to people in their 20s. Why? Because whey protein delivers all 9 essential amino acids, especially leucine, which activates the mTOR pathway, the signal that tells your body to build muscle. Why does that matter? Because after age 60, your body responds less effectively to standard protein intake. This is known as anabolic resistance. Whey overcomes that resistance like a perfectly shaped key opening a stiff rusted lock. It doesn't just supply muscle fuel, it jump-starts growth, enhances recovery after activity, and helps regulate blood sugar, an ongoing challenge for many seniors. It's also very easy to digest, meaning less bloating or discomfort. For best results, mix 20 to 30 grams of high-quality whey isolate with water or unsweetened almond milk. Add berries and a dash of cinnamon to reduce inflammation and support stable blood sugar. And here's the surprising part. Many seniors report increased energy within just 1 week of adding it to their routine. Easier walks, deeper sleep, sharper thinking. Take a moment to reflect on what you've learned. This isn't about drinking shakes or counting grams. It's about regaining strength, confidence, and independence, one smart choice at a time. Lentils that nourish muscle, hemp seeds that calm joints, cottage cheese that repairs overnight, Greek yogurt that powers your mornings, black beans that balance blood sugar, and whey protein, a science-backed ally that helps your body build muscle like it did years ago. These aren't expensive supplements or complex plans. They're affordable, powerful foods hiding in plain sight. And if this video gave you a new idea, a food to try, or a fresh approach to your health, do me one small favor. Like this video. Comment below which protein you're adding to your meals this week. And subscribe to our channel for more science-based guidance designed for adults 60 and over. You're no longer eating just to get by. You're eating for strength, clarity, energy, and quality of life. Here's to staying strong at every age.